County Assembly Speaker.
I have resumed my duties, whether I'll do them in an empty office or just within the premise of the Assembly. My duties and responsibilities as the Speaker of Homa Bay will be undertaken.
But today, things went south in her office once again as a known goon stormed into her office, breaking the plastic chairs and table she bought on Tuesday. And as though that was not enough, they sprayed the entire office with a pesticide, making the office uninhabitable. Her attempts to retrieve her computer and documents from the Assembly Clerk's office hit a dead end when she found the office locked on Tuesday. The MCAs opposed to her administration have stood their ground that she won't get back to her office despite her calls for dialogue with the group that has issues with her style of administration.
You cannot talk of reconciliation when there are several of us living in hiding because they can be arrested anytime.
Article 182 of Kenya's Constitution 2010 states that if a vacancy occurs in the office of county governor and that of deputy county governor, or if the deputy county governor is unable to act, the Speaker of the County Assembly shall act as county governor. Should the Supreme Court uphold nullification of Homa Bay County Governor Cyprian Awiti's election, then she will be the governor for 60 days until elections are held. Could this be the hidden force behind her troubles? Kevin Ogutu, KTN News from the county of Homa Bay. This was the status of Homa Bay County Assembly Speaker Elizabeth Ayo's office when she reported to work Tuesday following a court directive.
I do apologize for that. To matters health now at the Kenya Union.